Welcome back, everyone. Now, let us see what all are the effects of sound sleep. Deep sleep or sound sleep is very important and that improves our immunity. First thing, deep sleep helps our body to heal. During the sleep, what happens? Our brainwave frequency lowers down, and that time, body's natural healing process starts. Even different hormones start secreting that helps us in different internal body activities, including growth. So, we must get a good night's sleep. Now, let us see what all are the benefits of deep sleep or sound sleep. So, when we sleep properly, it impacts our brain and it increases our immune system, it boosts our memory, it regulates our appetite. Before sleep and after eating dinner, there must be 2 to 3 hours of gap. Make sure that you have digested your food before you go to sleep. Then what happened, the energy which takes to digest the food, it will not consume during sleeping, so all the healing methods will happening during your sleep. So your body will get more time to heal itself. It also takes out all the toxins from the body, keeps your body healthy, your thought process become more efficient, and that leads to more creative thinking. It helps you to organize information. So, whenever we are getting good sleep, we are not only healing the internal body, but also our brain gets some healing and it start functioning in its optimum level. Now let us see some tips to sleep well. First thing, there must be some bedtime ritual, maybe reading or meditation. You may take bath before you go to sleep. If you do meditation, your mind become calm and relaxed and you get proper sleep, sound sleep. Did you notice that whenever we start reading, we start feeling sleepy? So if you do little bit of reading before bedtime, you may get good sleep also. But yes, if you want to learn something from the reading, then you must do in a proper way. You must do it on a sitting position and on a proper light where you can concentrate and focus more on the learning what you are reading. But before going to bed, you can just for relaxation you can read. Then before going to bed, try not to watch TV or any type of social media. Try to keep all your electronic devices out of the bedroom. Otherwise, the harmful radiations will disturb in your sleep. So it's better to keep all the electronic gadgets out of the room and try to maintain a regular bedtime. It's not like today you are going to sleep at 10 o'clock and tomorrow you are going to sleep at 2 o'clock. Then this may disturb the body's cycle, the body's clock. Whenever we take nap in the afternoon, it becomes very difficult to get sleep at night. If possible, do not take a nap in the daytime. Then maybe you may not get proper sleep at night. And suppose you are not getting sleep, don't go and watch the clock again and again. Then your brain will give you signal that okay, I am late for sleep, I'm late for sleep, I'm late for sleep. And again you will be repeating this thing in your mind. This will start bothering you. You won't be able to get sleep. Before you go to sleep, you can make the room clean, you can make it comfy. Make sure the room is quiet, the lights are off, it is dark, and the temperature is proper. If you are using AC, mostly AC I would not suggest, but if it is important for you, then make sure the temperature is in a normal temperature so that it won't disturb you in sleep. It won't become too cold that you get up from sleep. And try not to drink coffee after 2 p.m. If you take much caffeine, then it will disturb your sleep. And you must do exercise every day, because if you do exercise, your body will get little tired and you will get good sleep at night. So try to follow all these things. This may definitely help you. In case still you are not getting sleep, you can try some guided meditation, or you may start backward counting from 200 to 1. This works for me. Or else you can try Yog Nidra. definitely you will get sleep. This is a very effective way, and I will share an audio. You can listen to it to get good sleep. Thank you so much, everyone.